Welcome viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel Easy English Tutorial. Nowadays, English is the most essential language for our daily interaction or conversation. And through my channel, you can speak English in a most friendly way by following my one-by-one videos. To get new notifications of my videos, don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe my channel free of cost. If you love my videos, please like, comment and share these videos. Now let's start the video. Thank you is a very common word which we often use to express our deepest concern or our love for them who become anxious for us and do something special, such as when someone helps you anyway in your adversity or gives you support to your activity or show you kindness in your situation, any type of situation you feel so happy for that person. So, today our discussion is about 50 new exciting ways to describe thank you easily. Now, starting the following phrases and sentences using the word gratitude in various ways. Because gratitude is strongly and consistently associated with greater happiness. Gratitude helps people to feel more positive emotions. It relish good experiences and it builds strong relationship between two persons. Now moving to number 1. My gratitude knows no bound. Number 2. Accept my endless gratitude. Number 3. Words can't describe how grateful I am. Number 4. I'm truly grateful, or I'm so grateful, or I'm truly grateful. Number 5. I will forever be grateful. Number 6. I am eternally grateful to you. Number 7. Grateful for your kind consideration. Next, we will learn some phrases or sentences using the word appreciate to suggest thank you. You can use this type of phrases to praise or admire someone. If you want to give respect or honor to them, use these phrases. So move to number 8. I appreciate it. Number 9. Your support is greatly appreciated. Number 10. I'd like to express my appreciation to you. Number 11. Huge appreciation from the bottom of my heart. Now we will learn some phrases using the word thanks. It conveys your feelings for that person for being in your life. Instead of saying just thank you, you can also thank people in such interesting ways, such as number 12. Thanks for everything. Number 13. Thanks for your attention to the matter. Number 14. Please accept my deepest thanks. Number 15. Saying thank you is not enough. Now conveying the same type of conception to the next page. Starting with number 16. I can't thank you enough. Number 17. I don't know how to thank you. Number 18. Heartily thankful to you. Number 19. Thankful for your assistance. Number 20. I don't want to insult you by thanking. Now we will use the word thanks to suggest the quantity of his or her importance. It means to say or understand how much valuable is his or her contribution in your life. Like number 21, many thanks. Number 22, thanks a ton. Number 23, thanks a bunch. Number 24, thanks a billion. Number 25, a million thanks to you. Number 26, all my love and thanks to you. Number 27, I don't have words to thank you. Now moving to another type of thank you. We can give more importance to the person who helped us. We can say like this to explain our debt and liability to them. Such as number 28, I'm touched by you. Number 29, I owe you big time. Number 30, I owe you huge favor or one. Number 31, I am in your debt. Number 32, I am obliged to you. Number 33, it's very kind of you. Number 34, you are too kind. Number 35, you are a dear. Now conveying the same type of conception to next page. And starting with number 36, you made my day. Number 37, you saved my day. Number 38, you are a lifesaver. Number 39, you are an angel. Number 40, you are the best. Number 41, you are great. Number 42, cheers up. Or 3 cheers for you. Now moving to next type of saying thank you. When we get help unexpectedly from someone, then we can't express our joy because we become so puzzled. At that time, use this type of phrases or sentences, such as number 43. Oh, you shouldn't have. Number 44. What would I do without you? Number 45. How thoughtful of you. Number 46. I don't know what to say. Number 47. This means a lot to me. Now conveying the same type of conception to next page and starting with number 48. Love from core of my heart. Number 49. God has blessed me with wonderful friends, or you may say I'm blessed with God gifted friends. And last but not the least is number 50. You don't know the value of your help. So these were the 50 different ways to say thank you. Next year, we will learn a new topic for spoken English fluently and rapidly. To learn different ways to say good morning and good night, you can also watch my other videos and please subscribe my channel. Hope we meet soon. Till then, good night and be happy.